Now let's move to the next presentation given by Byron Sharil on Troposphere Working Group. Please, Sharil, the floor is yours.
Okay, let's see. So I'm sharing my screen. Can you guys see it?
Okay, perfect.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, sorry, I'm not a frequent Zoom user, so I'm working on it here. All right, make it a little bigger. There we go. All right, hello, welcome everybody. I will give you a brief update on the Troposphere Working Group. First, a brief overview. I am the Troposphere Working Group Chair. I'm Dr. Cheryl Byram. I'm the Chief of the GPS Analysis Division, part of the Earth Orientation Department at the U.S. Naval Observatory. The goals of the Troposphere Working Group are to assess and improve the accuracy and precision of IGS GNSS-based troposphere estimates, to improve the usability of the IGS troposphere estimates, doing that by conferring with outside agencies interested in the use of our IGS products, and to assess which new estimates should be added as official IGS products, and if we need to discontinue any of the older sets. Also, our third goal is to provide and maintain expertise in troposphere estimate techniques, issues, applications, basically all things troposphere. Our progress since the last member meeting in December of 2019 is the TropoSynex version 2.00 format has been finalized. Rosa Passion and Jan Dusa have been leading this effort. And this format is a significant improvement over the older format in that it supports different sources. It incorporates the long station names from RINEX 3, incorporates slant delays, and the long-term time series station parameters. Also, we have released the Troposphere Comparison Interactive website available for use, and that was led by Christine Hackman and Jan Dusa. Part of this presentation was to talk about how we're trying to achieve the IGS goals, in particular goal number 1, which is to achieve the multi-GNSS technical excellence. So that's just a reminder for everybody out there. And that's where we're going to get into with our future work. So the most pressing future work that we have currently is to get the TropoSynex format version 2.00 officially adopted by the IGS. So we need to make that request. There are updates to the Troposphere comparison website. That is an ongoing effort as new data sets become available and new techniques want to be incorporated in the comparison website. And then finally, we are going to have our next IGS Troposphere Working Group meeting, which will be virtual at the end of January 2022. I was hoping to have it during AGU, but that is always just a packed week. And the things we want to talk about, I had sent out a survey to the Troposphere mailing list for all the members to give me their input. And we want to talk about some of the ideas that were brought back to me that I would like to talk about with the group is the idea of multi-GNSS estimates, using reference or providing a reference ETD for climate science, talking about expanding the type of comparisons that we do, as well as some other sort of housekeeping issues such as discussion and nomination of a deputy chair position, and also working on updating our charter. And that is it for me. If you need to contact me, there's my name and my new email address.
Then we can come back to Cheryl, if you don't mind, with a question to you by Nacho. Any comparison and combination done regularly at the IGS with the different ZTD estimates?
We don't do it regularly. The interactive comparison website will allow you to choose different data sets between different techniques to compare the troposphere estimates, but it's not a regularly done thing in like an automated way. That is an interactive site for you to go to, and we welcome new data sets to that as well.
Okay. Thanks.